Hello here. How to set up this? We have set up the all the domain you have checked. This is our new domain. We have updated. In the security rules, we have updated the security rules for our WordPress security, and you have to check this how much we have set 2.88. So we are checking this issue is, so there's we have put as a all issue is we are putting this the or, so all our setting we need to set up. So this is the and so we have to put all our or so need to put cart. Sorry, this is okay, issue is search bot. So copy, and here we set up user agent, and we have to put content, and sorry, user agent, this also content. This is also gag, also put user agent, search bot, we put gecko. So or already SEMrush, so this is close, SEMrush not need, stop, and we put stop, search bot or gecko. Okay, fine. And manage silence, you have to put this block so no one ever comes to our server. So set up this. So now setup is done, and you check this away in the last 4 minutes how to handle these rules. We have this rules last 24 hours, we can update it this. So this is our security rules, how to put this our website. Thank you.